हेलो। तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है, इन अ रेजोनेंस ट्यूब विथ अ ट्यूनिंग फॉर्क ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी 512 hertz. Here we have given a frequency 512 hertz. First resonance occur at a water level equal to 30.3 centimeter, and the second resonance occur at the 63.7. The maximum possible error in the speed. We have to calculate the maximum possible error in the speed. Before solving the question, let us know the some basic terms or the basic concepts that we have to know before solving this type of question. So first is distance between node and antinode is equals to lambda by 4, and distance between two nodes, that is equals to lambda by 2. And we all know the relation, that is mu is equals to v by lambda. Instead of mu we can write f, because the mu represents the frequency, or in the to represent the frequency we can write f. So this can be written as f v upon lambda. So these are the three concepts that we have to know to solve this type of question. So in the first condition, in the given question, the first condition is given that the first resonance occur at the first resonance occur at the water level equal to 13.3. This is the first condition and this is the second condition. In this first condition, only one first resonance occurs, and in the second resonance occurs. So for first condition, here the L L1 plus E we have taken, that is the our node and anti-node distance. So we can write L1 plus E is equals to lambda by 4, as we have seen in the previous slide that the distance between a node and anti-node is lambda by 4, and we know the relation between V and F in terms of the value of lambda in terms of V and F. So we can write as V by 4F. So this become L1 plus E is equals to V by 4F. Name this equation as first. And for second condition, L2 plus E is equals to, here the node and antinode both are present. So the distance between node and antinode, that is lambda by 4, plus the distance between two nodes, the distance between these two nodes is lambda by 2. So if we solve this, we get 3 lambda by 4, and we know the lambda in terms of V and F. So the L2 plus E is equals to 3V by 4F. Name this equation as equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 by equation 2. So L1 minus L2 becomes V upon 4F minus 3V by 4F. If we solve this, we get 2V by 4F. So this can be written as L2 minus L1 V upon 2F. So we get the value of L2 minus L1. Name this equation as equation number 3. On differentiating this, you would get delta L2 minus L1 divided by L2 minus L1 is equals to delta V by V. We want to know the value of delta V. So make the subject delta V. So delta V is equals to delta L2 minus L1 into this V into V divided by L2 minus L1. So from equation 3, from this equation number 3, we can write the value of, from equation 3 we can write the value of this 2f, that means 2f is equals to V by L2 minus L1. So in the for the this value you can write 2f in this equation. So delta V is equals to delta L2 minus L1 and here 2f. So now to maximize the error, to maximize the error, we can write delta V is equals to delta L1 plus delta L2 into 2f. Now writing the values of delta L1, delta L2 and the 2f, we get the value of delta V. So substituting that, 2 into 512, that is the frequency given to us, into 0.1 plus 0.1. On solving this we get delta V is equals to 2 into 5, 1, 2 into 0.2. On multiplying this we get the value of delta V, that is 204.8 centimeter per second. That is the value of delta V. So which option is correct? Option C. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.